Hey guys, Lego Buzz here. Today I'm going to show you how to build this very easy Lego train station. So this is how the train station looks. Okay, as you can see, I have made a lot of details on it. So here I have this flower bed, simple flower bed, then this platform where the train runs in, and I also have an easy removal roof. So if you remove this roof, inside I have a lot of details as well. So, like, I have a very simple entrance right here, just made from a door. You enter through here, and then as soon as you enter, I just have this little ticket desk here, then the security check area, and benches over here, and some benches over here. And I just added a few minifigures so it can look a bit more like joyful and active of a place. And then you just exit through here and you get straight to the platform. Okay, so I am making a second part of this entire video, and in the second part, I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego train for this train station. So stay tuned and you'll be able to see how to make the entire part of this Lego train station. So now, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, to start off with this build, we'll just need a 32 by 32 base plate, and I've just placed these two doors on it at these positions. You can note down the positions in a bit. You might want to pause the video and note down the positions they're on. Okay, and I did use a 32 by 32 base plate, and if you don't have this, you can just try putting together a bunch of plates and then try building it on your own. Okay, so to start off, I'm just gonna place a bunch of bricks to show you the first layer for this build. Right here. Okay, so I'm just placing a few of these bricks here, right there, like that. Okay, and next I'm gonna start off with this side. Right here, one. Another one down there, another one here. So I'm just taking like 2 by 6 bricks, 2 by 4 bricks, 2 by 2 bricks, basically any bricks. Okay, 2. And then we're just gonna take this here, and this here. Okay, so now that I've just finished the first layer, and you know the basic outline of this build, I'm actually just gonna fast forward the video and then just show you the final product of what these walls look like. Okay, so this is what the final product of the walls look like. Okay, and as you can see, I've just added this smooth layer of plates or tiles on here, and made a few stud areas on it in these 3 places, so that I can stick on the roof. If you want to add more studs than what I did, that's totally up to you. And so this is basically what the walls look like. And now I'm just going to show you how to build the Lego, the pieces of details and flowers and things I have in this train station. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to build the Lego ticket desk for this train station. So for the base, I'm going to take this 2 by 12 plate, then this 1 by 2 brick right here, then 2 1 by 2 tiles. Then I'm going to place this 1 by 2 brick right there. Okay, and then I'm going to take this 1 by 2 clip piece. I don't know the real name. I'm just gonna call it that. Here so I just put the clip piece right there. And now I'm going to take this jumper plate, 1x2 jumper plate, place it right there. Then I'm going to take this another 1x2 brick and just place it at an angle on the jumper plate to make it look like a fancy monitor. Okay, now I'm going to take another 1x2 brick and place it here. And then get this 2x2 jumper plate, place it right on the edge on one part that the front is sticking out right toward, like this. And then I'm just gonna stick this cheese wedge, 1x1 cheese wedge, right onto the center of this 2x2 jumper plate. And that just creates this effect of a computer that has a mouse with it as well. And now I'm just gonna just make another monitor assembly like this. Okay, like so. Okay, then I'm just gonna make another mouse piece thingy. Okay, and that's basically it. Now I'm just gonna, for the other end, this ticket counter, I'm just gonna take this 1x2 brick and 2 more of these pieces. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take this 1x2 piece that I guess just clips onto the clip pieces, and then a grill. Okay, a 1x2 grill. And just place it right there on top of this piece, and then just clip it right onto here and position it downward so it looks like it's just a fancy computer piece. And I'm just gonna make a second keyboard like that for the other computer. Okay, so that is how you make the Lego ticket desk. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to build the Lego security check station. Okay, to build the security check thing for the person to go through, I'm just going to take this 2x2 plate, then these 2 1x2 slopes, just place them right there, and this 2x2 slope right here, and then just 3 1x2 bricks, and place them right down here to make one of the stands for this security thing. Okay. Next, I'm gonna place this 1x2 brick that's about 2 bricks down things high, and then this like 1x2 brick. Okay. Next, I'm gonna show you how to build the Lego security X-ray machine. Okay, to build the X-ray machine, I'm first gonna take the 2 2x6 plates, or you can use a 6x4 plate, a 4x6 plate, and then I'm gonna take this 2x4 tile right here, then a 2x2 tile right there, and these 2 1x2 bricks right down over here. Okay. And then these 4 1x2 cheese wedges right here, and place them right at the edges, and they're just going to be the walls for the X-ray machine kind of thing. Okay, and now this main part is ready, so let's start building up the top. Okay, so I'm going to take another 2x2 tile, place it right here, and then this 2x2 jumper plate, place it right here. Now the reason I'm using a jumper plate is because I'm going to stick this monitor piece kind of thing, just a normal 1x2 brick, right onto here to represent a thing that detects pieces. And I'm going to take these 4 1x1 round bricks, place them here, like that. Okay, so now your X-ray machine is ready as well. And I'm going to show you how to build next the benches and the flower bed. To build the benches, you will first need to get this 2x10 plate, and then I'm just going to get this a 1x2 panel, place it right here, another 1x2 panel, and just skip to here and place it right there. Then a 1x2 to a plate right here. Then this grill. You can use a 2x2 towel if you have that as well. I'm just gonna place these 2 grills right here just to make a quick little side table. Then another side table I'm gonna make by taking this 1x2 plate right here, and then just these 2 pieces here that represent like liquid bottles or something like that. Okay, so this is how you make the benches for this train station, and now I'm going to show you how to build the flower bed. Okay, so for the flower bed, I'm going to take this brown, I believe it's 2x10 plate. Then I'm just going to build up this a few brick flowers. So I have this green round brick here, a purple jumper plate, this and this over there, and that's just a very simple little brick flower. I'll place it here. Then I'm going to take this pre-assembled flower piece here and just place it on like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take I'm just going to make another brick flower like this. I'm going to take this cream stud, place it here, a 1x2 green plate, and this pink stud right here. I'm just going to place that right over there. Then I'm going to take these 4 pieces. They're just separate ones like this that represent another part of the soil. They're going to be put all together when we put them on the main base plate. Okay, so now I'm just going to take another one, just a simple flower by taking these 2 a red and green studs and just stack them up. This with the green on the bottom, and place them right on here on the last brick, like this. So, okay, so this is one side of the flower bed. Next I'll take another, or maybe the first 2x4 brown brick here to make the flower beds, a second flower bed base, and then another like simple brick flower by just stacking these pieces like so. And there we go. That is a very simple flower. Just gonna place that off to the side, and then take another pre-assembled flower and just place it on like that. Okay, so these are your 2 flower beds, and now I'm just gonna bring in the 32x32 base plate with the walls stacked up and place it right here. Okay, and so now you have your main base ready, along with everything else for this build. So first I'm just gonna take this flower base here, the 2x4 size one, and place it on right to one side of this front door right here. Then the second one right off to this side right here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna release it like this. Oops. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it on. Then okay, and then I'm gonna place these parts right on, and that is your flower base. Oops, this thing extends off a bit too much. Okay, so just move it in a bit more. Right here. So that is your flower beds. Now let's design the interior. Okay, so first I'm gonna get the ticket desks right here, and then just place them a bit off right here like that, so that it's you can leave room for your minifigures to hold on. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the benches and just place them off right to this end. You want the benches close to the exit, because right after you get off them, it's gonna go straight into the train. Okay, now I'm gonna take this person security check thing right here. Okay, and then the X-ray machine off to the side like this. Okay, so that is the interior finished up. Now let me get my minifigures in like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this worker right behind one of the computers over here, and then another person who's trying to check in right there. Okay, next I'm gonna take this this boy here, nah, not the boy. Let's take this man. And also, I forgot to add this, a 2x4 brick right here, just as a step, since the door is one place higher on this area. I'm just gonna place this man right over here. And then this guy is gonna sit on the benches, like so. Just try to make him sit here. He won't be able to sit here because my minifigures are a bit different. Next, I'm gonna take this one and just make him like an officer who's looking after the person who's gonna try to, who's going through the security machine, like so. Okay, so now these 3 minifigures I have left are for the outside platform I'm going to make. Okay, so to just make a step kind of thing here, I'm going to take this here and just place it in over there. Okay, and I'm going to take this brick here, this over here, and this over here. Now, this platform is just going to extend all the way down to the very tip of this thing here. Okay, like so. Next, this. And next, I'm just going to place a bunch of these 2x4 bricks right down so that they can finish off the platform right here. Okay, it seems that I'm just going to need to take this 2x4 brick right here. Then I'm going to take these parts and stack 2 of them like this, and then same on the other side. These just represent the pieces that, you know how the train stops and hits those boards? These just kind of represent that. Okay, now I'm going to place the seat here. I'm just going to place a few 1x2 bricks to represent seats. And they're just going to, like, each one stud apart. Like so. Okay. So now I have that ready. And let me just place in these 3 minifigures. Okay, that one right there. Now this is a mother and son, so I'm just gonna make them holding hands. Like so, just extend, I'm just gonna extend. You can use more minifigures than I am if you want to, but I'll just use this amount. Okay, I'm just gonna make it extend 1 stud away from the mother instead this time. And make it look like they're holding hands, like so. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you how I made the roof. I'm not actually gonna show you what the roof looks like. Okay, so this roof is like this. I just used a 16x16 plate, an 8x16 plate, and a few plates down here. And on the bottom, I just attached them by doing like a few small plates like this. So they can easily go together. And I just gonna place them, you know, right on the studs over here. Next, I'm gonna get these 3 smaller plates, okay? And then these 3 plates are a bit different because there's only 2 studs to hold them down. So on the bottom of this 4x4 plate, I just put a 1x2 plate, and then I stuck it onto here so that the 1x2 plate is directly on here, like so. Okay, next I'm just gonna stick these pieces, 1 piece on each, 2 studs each, like so. Okay, so that is how you make this Lego train station. Hope you enjoyed it. If you really did, please like and subscribe to LEGO Buzz. Bye. See you next time.